Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video about update on yen index. So I made a video yesterday or the day before yesterday, right? So some more trades. So let's go take a look. This chart, yen index 33-minute chart, I made on the 28th May. And I said it is going to go from here to here for wave 5, according to the grid, right? Sometimes it goes halfway and make the turn. Sometimes it goes all the way. But this is the theory. So it's supposed to go from here to there. And if it does go there, then what will happen? This will take all yen pairs to the upside. Because yen going to the upside, yen index going to the upside means yen is getting weaker. And yen is always on the right hand side in each and every single pair. So they will go up, all of them at the same time, unless there is something else getting weaker more than yen, right? But yen is very strong currency, and like if it gets weaker, it strongly gets weaker, and if it gets strong, it gets strongly gets strong. So that's how it is, more than any other currency, right? So this is supposed to happen here. So let's go take a look what happened to this chart. As of today is this. So it went up there all the way. And if you draw the fib from here to here, it's at 86%, right? Now, see, this first pullback here after this drop is just 50%. Then it dropped to 23%. And then it goes to 88%. That is a bad pattern. It's like a harmonic pattern we have. So that is a calculation for a bad pattern, which is in place now. Now the question is, either it's going to go all the way to wave 5, time will tell, the London session will open, then we will see what happens, where the volume is going to take it. Or if the bad pattern is going to play out, then it will drop from there to 20% line, or maybe 38% line, right? So, and then go up again, or maybe drop all the way down. It all depends on the fundies that we're going to get. So these are the stations that, like the first one that I had, it was like wave 4, and then slowly it's going up just like this one, right? Making the same kind of pattern. So I said, okay, the chances are that we're going to go up. So I was watching it. When you watch this and expecting that it's going to go up and expecting all these pairs that they'll go up, then you wait for the long setup. And once you have it, then you are confirmed that, okay, my analysis was good. This is what's happening, and they're all going to go up. So let's start taking those long entries. So did I take all those long entries? So let me show you how many yen trades I had after this date, 28th May. Okay, so the first one was on the 30th May. 28 was Saturday, 29 Sunday, 30 Monday, starting Monday till today, Thursday, right? 4 days. What happened? Pound yen to the long side from 20 minutes. All of these trades are from 20-minute charts. So pound yen long for 80 pip, USD yen long for 65 pip on the 30th. Then on the 31st, USD yen long for 70 pip. 31st, pound yen long for 85 pip. This was the first one. Retrace, second one. This is Aussie yen. This was the last week. All right, so I'm not gonna even count that. So this is on the 31st, the first trade, Aussie yen, so 60 pip. On the first, GJ, again, I'm gonna say the shortcut names, right? GJ, again, see that you saw 2 of them, then this is the third one on the 1st June, 65 pip. Then UJ, again, the third one, you saw these 2 already. This is the third one on the 1st, 75 pip. And AJ, the third entry on the 1st for 85 pip. The first one was last week. So this one, these 2 this week. And then AJ today, again, on the June 2nd for 100 pip from here to here. You can see that. All of these entries are on the left-hand side. You can see the buy order, SL break, move to break even. Now, all of this, I already said it, that we're going to go up and this will take all yen pairs to the upside. And all of my trades, you can see that they are all nicely exactly by the setup. My setup is that this yellow line and black line, they must be above. Well, it's not the condition. The first condition is that this indicator should be all the way down. Second is that yellow line should be above, must be above the black line, adjacent black line, not this one, right? So this one. The third is that the price should be making higher low, higher low, higher low, right? This is higher than this. This is higher than this. This is higher than this. And the fourth condition is that red candle turns blue after a reversal candle, and one or two blue candle, I open the trade. Okay. Just like here, few, because it was a third one, so I just wanted to make sure that it is really going to the upside. So here I open the trade. Red candle coming into the wave, touching at least the yellow line. So it was touching it, and then it started to go up. This indicator all the way down. So this is the setup. All of these are with the setup. You can see this one, every single one with this setup. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That setup has to be there. So these are 9 trades, all yen pairs to the upside, only in 4 days. Okay, this is the power of the index. If you watch the index and follow the direction and then trade the pairs accordingly. Similarly, for example, USD chart, USD index chart was this, which I made on the 7th May. This is a weekly chart of USD index that we went up. And then, by the way, I predicted that from here, we're going to go up all the way, and we did. So from here, I said, we're going to go up a little bit more to 78% and then drop, right? We were here, 1026. So I said, we're going to go up, see the yellow mark here, touching the 78%. So first to the upside, then down all the way here. And then obviously, if it's coming down, that means USD is getting weaker. If that's the case, then Euro USD, Pound USD, and Aussie News USD. These 3 will be going, 4 pair will be going up, and the other 3 like USD CAD, USD Franc, USD Yen should be going down because USD is on the left hand side. So, and this pair, this index, what happened to this one? Look, this is the power of the analysis. See this? So far, as of today, it went down. And exactly the same thing happened. I had trades on that, so I'll make another video about this. Similarly, you can see here that Aussie index, I made the chart, that is going to go up. This is on the 20th May. And I wrote down here, so like EAGA will go up, AU and AJ will go down. Why? Because these 2 pairs have the Aussie on the right hand side, and these 2 Aussie on the left hand side. So they will go up. Sorry, they will go down, and these 2 will go up. So I don't trade Aussie USD. I didn't, I trade, but not this week. I didn't have on my checkup list, so the chart wasn't open. AJ, yes, and I had 3 beautiful trades to the upside, right? EA and GA is supposed to go down. What happened? Yesterday, EA for 135 pip, right? And GA even more, for 210 pip to the downside because Aussie was getting strong. So you see, I have indexes, all the charts made for indexes, Pound Index, USD Index, Euro Index, CAD Index. CAD Index is also beautiful and it gave me so many beautiful trades, especially Euro CAD was killed. I had like 5 or 6 trades on that. So I'll show it on the next trade. Because CAD, because of the war, it is keep going up, keep getting strong. And because of that, Pound CAD, Euro CAD, USD CAD, they're all going down. Right? If CAD is on the right hand side, getting strong, everything goes. So this is what, let me show you one more time. These are the trades, Pound Yen, starting from the 30, the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 trades, all yen pairs going to the upside because of this little chart here. It went up from here to almost here so far. Let's see what happened tomorrow. And maybe I think that, the bad pattern probably going to play out and may drop a little bit. But let's see, anything can happen. So whatever happens, I'm ready, right? So this is just wanted to show you guys that this is how important it is too. If you can catch the one single chart of one single index in the right direction, you have multiple choice in hand. I had 7 pairs. And look, Euro yen, CAD yen, New Zealand yen, I didn't even trade. I didn't even open the chart. Only 3 pairs, pound yen, USD yen, Aussie yen. And I had 9 trades between them. And I guarantee you that all of those other went up big time. And I showed you that yesterday. And I'm going to show that again here, one by one, all of those pairs, and just look at it, how far they went. Aussie yen, look at that, how far it went from this. Yeah, see this line here, right there. This is where the May 30 starts. And right now we are here. CAD yen. This is where the week started, May 30, and we are here right now. How many pips, by the way? This is the candle. It's 99.84, and we are at 103. So that's the 99. So let's say 100, right? So 103.25, 325 pips to the upside. Franc yen, look at that. This is where the week started, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we are here. Euro yen, which I didn't open the trade, the chart, right? No trade on this one. And look how many pips I could have made. A lot, right? But it went up from 136.30 and 139.60, 330 pips. Pound yen, I did trade from here to here. USD yen, I did from here and went up there. New Zealand, I didn't open the chart. And how many pips it went up? From 83, let's say 83, right now it's 85. 100 pips there. By the way, they're all going to make the turn if the bad pattern starts to work out. So this is how it is. Just, if you learning is the key. Learning is the key. Between the failure and the success, this is what's in between. Learning. If you don't learn and try to do something, boom, right? And if you learn and then try to do something, the chances are that you're going to be successful. So that's how it is. And it's a lot of other setting up all the indexes and the charts. I'm going to make new charts over the weekend and then give it to my subscribers. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, go on my website. And where the heck is my website? Let me see. I'll open the chart here. Okay, so this is creativetradingsystems.com, right? And just subscribe. And if you need to learn every single thing from a start, A to Z about the forex market, if you're new and if you want to learn harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, this, that, support resistance, trend line, how to draw this and how to draw that. So, I'm not showing a lot of things, but, this, for example, see this high, you draw a line, it bounces exactly from there. So it goes like a staircase, it breaks, make the high dip and then comes back to the last high or something, usually. And then you can get very nice trades from there. So this is it for now. And yeah, what I was saying is that there was an option, a one-on-one coaching. So you can do that. And then, it's like 10-hour course over the Zoom. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful the rest of one more day for trading. And then we have a weekend. I have a very good time coming because my, kids are out of school already, right? My wife and my daughter, they're gone to New York this morning. So I'm alone with my son. Good time. Right? So, no school, not going nowhere anymore. 2 months, 2.5 months. All right, so this is it for now. Talk to you guys later.